Hey guys, I got a good video for you today. This one is of a mobile home system that was icing up. There were a couple problems, and one of them was a 2-year-old Mortex coil that was leaking in multiple places. So here it comes, stay tuned. All right, on this one, I think we got a blower that's supposed to be turning on right now. Is it cool? Well, this right here needs to be changed. Somebody put square head screws in here. I did not fully explain that thermostat's supposed to bring on the blower when you turn it on in cooling, and it wasn't doing that, but it would turn it on when I turned on the fan, so I know it was the thermostat. Headed back in. We got her programmed. Let's turn on the cooling. And it's like the cooling just came on. Inside it sounded like I was hearing a lot of vapor. I suspect it's going to be low on refrigerant. Whew. Oh my word. That's really low. I hope I don't have to crawl under there. Let's do a leak search. This is a newer Mortex coil. First place I look. I'm up to 9 right now, 10. Huh. Don't tell me I got multiple leaks. 46. Down to 0. Search before I continue focusing on that. Before I continue focusing on that flare. It looks like I need a 4-ton Vortex coil. This is straight cool, so I could probably, I do have a height restriction. That's too bad. I was hoping that just tightening that would fix it for us. But that's not the case. All right, I have returned with the coil for this system. I'm fixing to pump this down. It was actually 3 or 4 days in the making trying to get this to happen. We don't need the cooling right now, but that's what I'm working on. This is a straight cool system. So here we go. This has a different kind of shutoff valve. When I pulled this off, I heard it hiss a little bit. So we got a little bit of leaking going on right here. I'll go ahead and close this off. It looks like I'm gonna have to take that contactor apart and push in the contactor. Alright, that didn't have a whole lot of Freon in it, did it? Alright, I'm gonna go get my nitrogen and get this hooked up. Come on. What in the world? I gotta get some things loose inside before I start flowing nitrogen. Alright, so I'm actually going to cut this right here, and then I'm going to strap these up, and I'm going to have to make 2 pieces to fit between. Alright, I got both of these in. I got this end swaged and that one swaged. That way I only have to weld on the top. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. It's not beautiful, but that looks solid. Now let's get that one. This dryer is barely slid on to that stub of 3/8, so I'm gonna try to move it. There we go. Let's see if that went all the way around. Not seeing a problem. Let me see, 0.7 psi, 3 minutes, considering that it's pumped down. That's not bad at all. I say considering that it's pumped down because these can leak a little pressure into the line set. I'm gonna get ready to pull a vacuum and let this hold just a little bit longer. All right, I got everything hooked up. And we're fixing to start our vacuum. Insulation in here to clean this up. Really, almost everything in here is done. I do need to put me a bulb right about there. I'm gonna save this. All right, I got that re-insulated, and I need to put this piece back on. I'm just about done getting on down there. We're getting into a nice deep vacuum. I'm gonna let that run a little bit longer, and we're fixing to let loose what little Freon is in there and try to get it charged up. It's about 50 degrees out here, or 55. This temperature's kind of low. I think that is low enough. So far, the signs are good. Let's see how it does. Start a little timer here and give it some time and see how high it rises. I know that this holds 10 pounds, and you can tell by these pressures, I'm gonna have to put just about that much in it. So here we go. trying to keep an eye on this. Keep my head pressure up. I'm just over 9 pounds now. See when I let this get up over 300, which is where it might normally be. You see it's 60 degrees out here. My suction line temperature starts to come up. I know that's really low, but it's like 68, 67 degrees in there now, and bring that head pressure on down a little bit. I'm probably going to go ahead and charge that to about 9 pounds, maybe 8 ounces, because there was just a little bit of Freon in there. I decided to just leave it right there. If I have to come back and adjust when the temperatures are more appropriate, I will. Thanks for watching, guys. Ideally, I think I should have recovered that Freon and just weighed in a whole new charge. But either way, it's all going to work out. If I have to go back and add a little bit or recover some, it's no big deal. I did tell the customer it wasn't ideal conditions to charge the system, and to just call me if they need me. Thanks for watching, and I will catch y'all on the next one.